Hey, I'm Jim Richards. I want to ask you a question. When you hear the word prayer, what comes to your mind? What do you see yourself doing? How do you see yourself praying? You know, one of the things that we don't seem to understand is that the English word prayer in the Bible actually has many, many different meanings in the original language. In other words, there are many different kinds of prayer, but somehow we have reduced prayer to just one thing: going to God, telling him what our problems are, taking our grocery list to him, telling him what we want, and begging him and trying to find some way to convince him to answer our prayers. But here's the amazing thing. The way we commonly pray is not how Jesus prayed. Not one time do you ever find Jesus praying the way that we have been taught to pray. And on top of that, when Jesus taught about prayer, what he taught us about prayer based on kingdom living doesn't look at all like the way that we pray today. You know something? In just a few weeks, I'm going to be opening enrollment to my personal coaching program. One of the things I love doing more than anything else is working personally with people and coaching people so that they can fulfill their dreams, that their faith will come alive, and that they can make their life work while they're walking with God. So I will be opening one of my personal coaching programs through what we call Ultimate Impact. And we're going to be talking about New Covenant prayer, praying the way Jesus prayed. So be sure to check it out before the enrollments close, because we will only have this open for a couple of weeks. If you want to change your prayer life, which means everything in your life will change, you want to be in this workshop called New Covenant Prayer. Blessings to you. I'll see you then.